to speak a few words in Telugu because every time I get an opportunity to talk to you guys, I just want to make sure at least a few words. So don't mind if the pronunciation is wrong. So what I want to say is, ఈ సినిమాలో భాగం కావడం అనేది నా జీవితంలో ఎప్పటికీ గుర్తుండిపోయే ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. అండ్ మొదటిసారి ఈ కథ వినేది నాకు ఇంకా గుర్తుంది. అండ్ కొత్తగా వచ్చిన నటిగా ఎప్పుడు బాగా నటించడానికి, నేర్చుకోవడానికి, ఎదగడానికి అవకాశం ఉందా కథ కోసం ఎప్పుడు ఆశపడదాం. సో నాకు ఈ కథ అవన్నీ ఇచ్చింది. I really enjoyed playing the role of Maya. I hope you guys love Maya and you accept Maya, our film, and everybody in this film. Because I had an amazing experience, especially working with my senior actors, Leela Garu, Jagpati Sir Garu, Sumant Garu. It was I mean, you're young only, but still it was an amazing experience working with all of you. But working with Leela ma'am, I felt there was a lot of partiality because somebody on set was madly in love with her, obsessed with her, and had a huge crush on her. Can you guess who? Subhash sir. So Leela ma'am goes for couple of takes. He'll be like, okay madam, no problem ma'am, it's technical difficulties, not your fault. Take how many takes you want. But if it's me, I can see his big eyes behind the monitor looking at me from there like, Nidhi, do it, okay? So it's okay, maybe I'm a newcomer, there'll be some discrimination, but still thank you sir for being patient with me. And with Jagpati sir, at first when I saw him, he's very scary to look at, very intimidating, a lot of aura, but he made me feel very comfortable. And then directly we started to gossip about Mana Sumant Prabhas. So I used to talk to sir about who are Sumant's favorite heroines, his favorite movies and all of that. So, sorry Sumant, I meant movies. And yeah, so sir really loves Sumant. I feel Sumant is his favorite on set. So we spoke a lot about him. And he's just very humble, very down to earth, and I'm beyond honored to be able to share screen with him and all the other artists in this room. So, coming to the final point, Godari Gattu Paina, a very neat, simple, clean film. It has all the emotions that everybody here can relate to in your daily life. So, do go and check it out. Do go and show some love. Ma cinema Godari Gattu Paina చూడండి. ఈ సమ్మర్లో మీ మూడ్ని కూల్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
వరేవా నిధి, ఫెంటాస్టిక్. ఫస్ట్ టీజర్ లాంచ్లో స్పీచ్కి ఇప్పటికీ చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా మాట్లాడారు. వీళ్ళే రాసిచ్చారా ఈ ముగ్గురు?
ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు టీ టైమ్ తెలుగు.
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టీ టైమ్ తెలుగు.
హాయ్ గైస్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టీ టైమ్ తెలుగు.